Calibrating your graphics settings in League of Legends can enhance your gaming experience by improving performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the game settings. Launch League of Legends and log into your account. Once on the main menu, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access the settings menu. Step 2. Navigate to video settings. In the settings menu, select the video tab. This section contains all the graphics options that you can adjust to optimize performance and visuals. Step 3. Adjust resolution and display mode. Choose the appropriate resolution for your monitor from the drop-down menu. You can also select between full screen, windowed, or borderless window modes based on your preference and performance needs. Step 4. Modify graphics quality. Under the graphics quality section, you will find options for different settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and effects quality. Start with a balanced setting and adjust based on your computer's performance. Lower settings can improve frame rates if needed. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. After making your adjustments, enter a practice game or custom match to test the new settings. Monitor the game's performance and visuals and return to the settings to make further adjustments as necessary until you find the optimal balance. By following these steps, you can effectively calibrate your graphics settings in League of Legends for a smoother and more enjoyable gaming experience. Happy gaming!